Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. This is the KORDIZ Explorer Paracord watch band for the Apple Ultra watch. Guys, I like this band a lot because it's to me, I like the feel of it, the band, and I like the look of it. It's like a manly look for a band. I really like it a lot. I'm going to get my Apple Watch here. Now, the Apple Watch Ultra does not come with it. Okay, don't forget. I'm going to put the band on my watch real quick, and I'm going to put it on, let you guys see how it looks. Okay. Yeah. There we go. And I'm going to put it on here. If I can get the latch in there. That's the only hard part for me, is getting the latch on there. I usually have to get my wife to get it in there. Okay. Here we go. Oh, well. There we go. Got it snapped on. And that's how it looks, guys. I really like how this band looks, guys. This is really, really nice. Really manly. Yep. Very, very nice. And guys, that is your review for today. You guys make it a great day.